Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to scan virus on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G Android mobile phone. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to go your settings. Just tap on your settings. When you tap on it, you can see a new interface just like this. Here you can see a option of battery and device care. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see a new interface. Here at the bottom you can see a option of device protection. It's off. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see a pop-up window. Just tap on turn on device protection. When you tap on it, a pop-up window will again show on your screen. Just hit on turn on, which is at the bottom of the screen, and now you can see your virus, your device protection has been activated. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.